What's good? How you doing? It's your girl D back with another video. We've been shopping, bought a couple things. So let's look at this Brow Contour Pro pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. It is a 4-in-1 defining and highlighting brow pencil. Retails for $34 expensive dollars, but I can kind of see the price point. I can see the justification in that price point because typically for my brows, I have a pencil and then I have a concealer, and then a spoolie and all that good stuff. And so this is all just in one. So I can understand the price point being a little high. But if you want to see how it is that this works, stay tuned after the jump. Brow Contour Pro. 4-in-1 contour pencil. You have a lighter brown shade, a deeper brown shade, an edge definer shade, and an arch highlighter shade. Okay, alright. We have brown, black, deep. Let's see. This 4-in-1 contour pencil instantly gives you clean shaped brows with definition and dimension. Let's see. Step 1, start with the lighter shade. Step 2, end with the deeper shade. Step 3, define and clean edges. Step 4, highlight beneath arches. And then presto, contour brows. Alright, let's pop this mug open, see what it is that we're working with. All that good stuff. Okay. Alright. And let's see. So it literally looks like one of those old school quad color pens. Let's see. I'm supposed to apparently turn it clockwise to advance product. Let's try this mug out. So first we're supposed to start with the lighter shade. Oh. Hang on. So we just advanced it. It looks like we gotta click a little bit more. All right. That concerns me a little bit, but whatever. I hope y'all know that this is a wig, right? Please understand that we rocks a lot of wigs on this channel. So, all right, start with this lighter shade. I'm just gonna go maybe about yay deep. It's very soft. It's not as firm as the Precisely My Brow pencil. And also, at least the Precisely My Brow pencil has a spoolie. This would be overkill to put a spoolie in there, but like it'd be neat if it came inside of the package or something like that. Okay. And let's see. So now let's go with our deeper shade. But yeah, this is going on very softly. Wow. Huh. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna get more, I'm gonna go through more of the deeper shade than anything else. Because literally, I mean, I'm not too heavy-handed or anything like that, but I'm going through quite a bit of this. Alrighty. Now going in with the definer. Now this I would expect to go on pretty smooth. Oh, that's so bright. Gosh. You still have to blend that out. And like even my normal concealer is not that bright, but all right. Okay. And then last but not least, highlight underneath the arches. What do you look like? Oh, you look like the definer thing. Yeah, I'm not really one that highlights beneath the arches. I just kind of clean everything up or whatever. I use this in other places. Like right here. I mean, I guess. Well, I'm gonna blend out. Let's blend this in just a little bit more up here. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna get a brush and blend out this definer stuff. Finish the rest of the face and we'll be right back with you. All right. So, again, this is good in a pinch. I really wouldn't make this my everyday brow pencil. It's good in a pinch. It's good if you're applying in my opinion, if I were doing someone else's brows, this would be freaking handy. So that way it saves you, and I can definitely see the conceptuality. I can see the innovation that it's saving you from using multiple products. You have literally 4 things in one single applicator. So I can see the functionality in it. And I'm not knocking that, but it still doesn't have a spoolie, so you're still going to have to do some kind of blending. And then for the definer shade was okay, but the highlighter shade was just a little bit too pasty for me. So all in all, I do recommend it. I think that it will be beneficial to folks that are wanting to improve or shorten some time on their daily routine, or if it's someone who's doing someone else's face, saving the product. But saving product applications, saving products and time, condensing all that, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle, all that. Economically sound. So I get it. And I think that it is good to have. I don't think that this is a requirement, if that makes sense. Other than that, that's really all I've got. Now I was due for a new brow product anyways, so you know, and Benefit's brow products typically are some of the best, so I am going to use it, but I'm not going to, you know, it may not be what I reach for every day, or I don't know, but I will. I got mine from Sephora, but you can get this anywhere that Benefit brow products are sold, including their website and other retailers. The cost is $34. But again, it's multiple products in one single product. So it does have a high price point. As always, thank you ever so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you have any questions or suggestions, hit your girl up in the comment section. If you are new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But if you're not here for me, my shenanigans, my opinions, or anything else it is that you don't like, that's fine. There's an X in the corner for you to click, get live, and get off of my channel. But if you are here for my shenanigans, you're beautiful, amazing, wonderful, spectacular, and if no one else has told you, I appreciate you. You guys have a wonderful day.